photo shoot since before my birthday, right? Because I wanted to be able to post it on my birthday because I turned 30. The dress did not arrive until yesterday. Dress arrived yesterday. I'm so excited. Hopped in my car, ready to get going, and this is the situation occurring. What is that notification? It's like locked. It says car lock. What the f does that mean? Basically, my car won't start. Whew, I made it. I just walked here. It was a time, but we made it. So the first things I do when I get to my content creation space is turn the heat on, because as you can see, it's 53 degrees in here. It's very cold. I at least turned it up to 57, but honestly, I'm kind of warm and like out of breath from walking here, so I'm actually not that cold right now. Like, I'm a decent temperature. But anyways, today we're shooting my birthday content. Oh, that's gonna be loud. Is that bothersome? Look, it like matches my nails like perfectly. But anyways, let's get to this photo shoot. What does this look like? I decided to make my outfit a little bit more cute. This is what I'm thinking. Because it could, I feel like this is cute. Like, I don't know. Let's see. Excuse me, I just burped. Of course, as soon as I start the camera, that has to happen. Dinner rink in the house. 30, flirty, and thriving hennies. Okay, so I'm not quite ready yet, but one thing I always have to do is cover up my fading tattoo that I am getting removed with laser tattoo removal. It's going away. I can't wait for my tattoos to actually be the way that I want them to be. That's a whole other story for a whole other video, but I will be doing a tattoo removal experience video for my channel. So if you're interested in that, I will talk all about it. This necklace is too big for my neck, but let's get to covering up this little tattoo. I started doing it and I didn't even press record, so whoops. Practically gone now, you guys can even see. The power of makeup. I'm very glad that it's almost gone though, because this used to take a lot more product to cover up back when it was still more there. So now it's pretty easy to cover up. Boom! A couple of seconds and it's gone. Only would do that during the healing process. Let's get to the shoot. I just got this string. This was what was on the decor. So now I'm gonna tie it around this necklace to get it the right size on my neck. Like, I think like here will be good. Boop. Are we gonna take that off later? I just did my nails yesterday specifically for this photo shoot. These are just press-ons and I cut them to be a reasonable length. Don't look at me, look at the nails. Look at the nails. There you go. Focus. Focus on me. Not on me, on the nails. I'm trying to get them to focus. They're so cute. They're so cute. I just did them myself. And I was like, you know what? If it looks like a 13-year-old did them, that's perfectly okay, because that's the aesthetic that we're going for. So I think I'm gonna apply like a bunch of blue eyeshadow. Jennifer Garner, her glorious cheekbones. How's that? I ain't mad about it. I think she's pretty cute. Cute. Little highlight. Little highlight. Ooh, yes. There we go. A little highlight. Oh, she's so pretty. It's like all we can say, honestly. Okay. Let's shoot. Took a bunch of footage, and honestly I think this is gonna look better with a second one of these. I think another one to make it bigger, it's just gonna amp it up so much more and make the photos look that much better. Therefore, we are not done here today. Although I don't have a car, so I'm not sure about going to the store. Sometimes it's like the universe is trying to conspire against me. They're like, oh, you want to be a content creator? How bad do you want to be a content creator? When you don't have a car, it's a little bit difficult. I did it, you guys. I walked to the store, got what I needed, and walked back here. Kind of sweating right now, to be honest. The day is like one of those days where like it gets cold and then like the sun will come out for a little bit and it'll be like nice, and then the sun goes away and it's cold, and so it's like you can't really win. It's like I had to wear my winter coat because I might have been freezing at certain points, but like hey, I'm like really warm right now, kind of sweating. Anyways, we got the goods and we can get this photo shoot done today. Alrighty, we got the content. I guess I should have recorded more of me doing it, but I was getting kind of done. It's like late at night now. I mean, it's not night yet. The sun is setting. My phone is kind of dead, and I accidentally peeled off a little bit of the wall with my decoration. My bad. I'll have to fix that before we are done with this place. But yeah, the content is done, created, made. I'm leaving this joint, going home. Hello everyone, I'm on my way to work now, and if you can believe it, that notification still's popping up. I looked up what that meant. It means anti-theft. How exciting. It means they're trying to be sure that my car doesn't get stolen. But look at that, we're operating, we're fully functioning, and we're heading to work.